Hello everybody, today I'm back with a tutorial for this Pristin V Get It inspired nail art. Start by applying base coat. I'm using unpeel off base coat, and as always all of the products will be included in the description box. Then paint your index nail a sheer nude, your middle fingernail a light tan color, your ring finger a yellow shade, then white for your pinky and orange for your thumb. For the index finger, start with a border around the nail using black polish. Then start drawing some diagonal lines, and we'll be doing multiple of these going in the same direction. Then start drawing lines in the opposite direction to get this crisscross pattern. If you aren't quite picking it up, this is going to be a fishnet pattern. For the middle fingernail, take a darker brown and sponge that on. Just kind of blob it around everywhere. It does not have to be perfect. It's supposed to be kind of splotchy. And then once you have the desired base, then go ahead and start drawing on a circle using black polish. And this can also be very messy. The point is for it to be messy because this is like the wanted sign. And also use red to draw the smile. Now I'm going to be doing a kind of plaid pattern on the ring fingernail. So I'm just using a sheer black. I mixed black polish with a clear polish to get a sheer black polish, but it's not totally necessary, and I end up making it more opaque anyways. So as you can see, I go over the stripe several times, and I just did like a plaid pattern that's based on one of their skirts, so it's pretty abstract. Next, draw in some thinner stripes with red polish, and these can be very close to the black lines. It'll actually make it look more like a plaid pattern if you have the lines kind of very different and not exactly where the previous layer is. And then for the pinky, you just want to do a bunch of black lines over the white background, and the lines should not be straight at all. They should be very wavy. And then later I'll go over every other line starting from the bottom going up and just kind of making it darker so that every other line has a different thickness. So for the thumb, I'm just going to be writing the Pristin V logo, and I did this based off of their album cover, so that's precisely what I'm doing. The entire logo will be in black polish. Then I went in with orange to fix up any mistakes that I had. So I just added kind of thick layers of the orange so that it would blend in with the orange background, of course, and it just kind of conceals any mistakes and makes your lines crisper as well. Now all you have to do is seal the design with a thick layer of top coat. Make sure to float the brush across the design so as not to smear it, and also to wrap the tip for longer wear time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this Pristin V Get It nail art tutorial and found it somewhat helpful. If you guys have any questions or requests, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a like and also to subscribe to this channel, Lacquer Lover, and I'll see you all in the next video very soon. Bye everyone!